So, if the person's generally hot, it's a sign of high pitta. Pitta types generally run hotter than Vata and Kapha types. Their skin is warm or hot to the touch. Again, they may feel cold, but subjectively. But when you touch their skin, you notice their skin is hot. So when it's a people love to cuddle around Pitta people because they're so hot. So a Vata person, they tend to run cold and they want to get some of that Pitta body heat for themselves. So they'll want to snuggle up to someone on a cold winter night who's a Pitta. And so, you know, what are some reasons for that extra heat? It could be due to strong circulation. Pitta people tend to have strong circulation. They tend to have blood vessels dilated, so vasodilation. And there could be, heat could be generated by a number of causes. One of them, high bilirubin levels in the blood can make a person's temperature go up a bit. That would be a sign that the liver is weak. And you'll see signs of yellowing in the skin if that's the case. So inflammation anywhere in the body could cause the skin temperature to rise. Even fever can cause an increase in skin temperature.